Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Lubenki. I'm back here, and today I'll be showing you guys four things you have to see before you take a trade. And yeah, so before further ado, let's get to the screen. Yeah, and the four things is it's on GBP USD. So if you're not trading GBP USD, this strategy I'm about to show you is for GBP USD. So what's up, guys? Today, I'll be showing you guys four things you have to look out before you take a trade and on GU on GBP USD. So and this is my main chart. Let me just go to a plain chart. So yeah, let me go to a plain chart. Let me use order. So um I'll have to clear everything here. I'll have to clear everything. So I'll be doing it afresh so you guys see how I do it. So what I do first before I make my decisions to go for a trade. So first thing first, I'll have to put my psychological levels, and psychological levels are round up numbers like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So yeah, so I will look I will look to the recent number, and this is 1.295 hundred. So I'll have to make this to 500. Okay, so this is it, and 1.25 hundred. The next one will be 1.28. 4.28. Okay, 1.28585. Okay. Time now is 5. Time currently now is 5 a.m. Is the time. Saturday. Yeah. So I'm putting the psychological levels first. Okay. So I'll be putting the psychological levels where I know the market will likely to react there. So um this is boring to a lot of this is boring stuff to a lot of you guys. I know. So you guys just bear with me. um, mm, okay. I'm just putting the psychological levels and oh 2, 5, Two six oh 2600. Yeah, yeah. So Geo is has been on a crazy bull run. So before anything, okay, the next thing I will have to do, I will have to go to the daily time frame, and this is the recent low. This is the recent low I can find here, and what I'll have to do, I'll have to put a trend line. Yeah, a trend line. Yeah, okay. I'll have to extend it to the future because price will likely to come back here for the future. Yeah, and on trend line we have main trend line, and we have um mini thread line, micro thread line, just like a lot size. So I'm scaling it down. I'm scaling it down because yeah, I'm scaling it down because price will likely to come to these zones for the future, and GU respect trade lines a lot. So yeah, um okay. Then okay, I'll have to zoom out. I'll have to zoom in. So this is on daily. It's bullish. Let me go to daily. G is bullish, and on on the 4 hours time frame, on the top four, H4 is on bullish. So H4 is on bullish. You know, H1 is on bullish. So what I'm supposed to be looking at is just bullish. It's just for me to be catching the longs. We are seeing any retracements, boom. See any retracements, I enter. This was like this was it now. Retracement from a psychological level, boom, to the upside. Retracement, and if you look at these psychological levels, you confirm that markets always react to the psychological levels. So I'm sure that you will now see the reasons for the psychological levels. Psychological levels are there are there are zones. This is not just a line, but they are zones. This is not just a line. There are zones to be looking out. You know, there are zones to like notify you. Let me say, if price get there, price will just say, "Hey, Lubenki." I'll say hi. Then price will say, "Yeah, I'm here." I will likely to say something here. Lubenki, look out to this zone. So that's just that's just how it is. And also, and also, you can look at it here. Hi, Lubenki. Hi. Price is here. I was likely to do something. What is it? Okay, what is it now? Then I wanna ask price. Then the next thing is just for me to focus on that zone and be looking out because price something will likely to happen there. So I'll have to be looking either to go for a long or a short because I'm a day trader. So and also when I look at the zone and I see how price is reacting there. So what I will have to do, let me just do okay. So the first thing was psychological levels, the second thing was trend line, and the third thing, let me go to the section break so that because this one now is the um how curriculum oh oh mm, okay. Let me say this one now is the stew for the white rice. You know that Christmas white rice. Yes. So now that this due to that Christmas white rice, where I want put now. So yeah. So currently now I'll have to locate Monday because what after I put this section break is for me to identify the days that market get there. So this was on Wednesday, 6th of November 2024. So yeah, so I will have to locate Monday. This was on Friday and Wednesday, um, Tuesday, Monday. So Monday now, what I will have to do this Monday, let me just mark out this zone so that I will let me mark out this zone. Mm, okay, so I have to go to H4. This was the zone. So the concept of this the concept of the concept I want to do now is the high and low of the week. So yeah, so this is the high and low of the week, and the high and low of the week I have to locate to Monday. Yeah, exactly. And this is Monday. The first two candles to form for the week. The first two candles. So I'll have to put this line here, and either any of them, like now, for example, this is the this other candle, the first one, the first H4 candle to form for that for the new week. For the new week, this was the first candle, and this one was the lower one here, and the the next one I'll have to put it for the upside, like for the candle that is more higher, either any of them, anyone anyone that is higher you put it there, anyone that is lower you put it there. So that's just the concept of this high and low of the week. And high and low of the week, okay, how did the high and low of the week come to here now? So this high and low of the week, the way it works, the way high and low of the week work, um um if market, let me just, okay, don't worry, let me not take it out. If the price break above the high of the week, let me say here now, if price break above this high of the week more than 50 pips, this is 50 pips. If price break above this more than 50 pips, we'll be expecting more of sales for the week, and which did not happen. You can see it here. And let me put it back. This was 50 pips. This was 50 pips. Price did not break above the high more than 50 pips. And the low, let's let's check the low. Let's measure the low. Low um price break um below it more than 50 pips. So as price break below it more than 50 pips, what we'll be looking at, we'll be expecting more of sales this week. So this was Monday. I'm just showing you guys. This was Monday. This is the things to look out if you want to take a trade on GU. So this was Monday. Monday, the price was just flat, move up, break more than 50 pips. And if price break more than 50 pips, you'll be looking out to sell. So when price gets here, you'll still be looking out to sell, because if price did not drop here, you will be expecting that price will likely to drop here. So if I will still show you guys more of it so you guys confirm, and also you guys can back test it and to see the result also, to confirm if it works. But you confirm it works. It works, let me say 85% of the time it works. So it's my edge. This is my edge I'm showing you guys on the market. This is my edge. So you can look here. Monday, let me just be putting either buy and sell. I'm not trading it though. Okay, me I know just put on. Let me not put it. So we can look at it. Monday and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Oh, where will I put this stuff? Okay. Oh, all right. So this was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Price break below more than 50 pips. Then Wednesday, price break below more than 50 pips. Thursday, price went up again to retest that high of the week and drop. So Thursday, Friday, then Monday, and then the next week again. This is a fresh week. Oh, let me bring it here. This is fresh week. Now let me bring it here. I'll keep it for the up first two candles to form for the week. The first two candles to form for the week. So this was the first two candle. This one, this and this is the first two candles to form for the week. So this one price just break it ASAP, because already the move is downtrend now, and this one move now, price just break it direct. You can see it, 50 pips. So price break below more than 50 pips. So we still expect more of sales Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, and this was Friday, and this was a new week. So let me bring that here. This was a new week. Okay, let me bring it here. Um, okay, this was the new week. Then the high, the low, this high and low of the week. Every new week, the first two H4 candle to form, that's where you place them. That's where you place them. This was on Monday. Price break above here. Let me see if it's more than 50 pips. So price break more than 50 pips. We'll be expecting more of buy this week. So market break more than 50 pips, and this was on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, and on Friday market. So now these are the times that this was on Friday, and on Friday the price break below the low of the week more than 50 pips. Now if I was I'll be looking out to take this trade. maybe that week I'll be looking out to take the trade, to either buy here, but price will likely to take me out. And this was on Friday, on Thursday, Friday the market break out. So this was on Monday, new week, and this week, based on market structure, this is where pure price action comes in. Based on pure market structure, me, I am a pure technical trader, and based on market structure, sometimes I will see that price has broken it more than, let me say, price break the low of the week more than 50 pips to the downside. Based on market structure, I will read the price, and sometimes I won't even look out for more of sales. I'll be looking out to buy based on market structure. So price action is the, yeah, price action is the last thing for me to look at before I either click buy button or sell button. So let me take it to a new week again, and this was a new week. And how many weeks now have we? How many weeks now have we done? I don't know. So you can look at it. This was a new week. Price break. Let me see. If price break below, price break below is more than 50 pips. Now, okay, that thing that I just said now, based on market structure, if I look at this move, and there was a divergent here. There was a divergent here. Let me just toggle off this section break. Let me toggle off this section break so you guys see the divergence I'm talking about. Section break. Look at it. There was a divergence here. People that normally trade divergent, they'll be looking out for them to catch a move here. They will be looking out to sell to cover the divergence. And this was the divergence. When there's a divergent, price will likely to come back to fill this move, because there was a gap here, and price will likely to fill this gap, and price came down, fill the gap before continue the bullish run. So when if me now I want to take this move now, based on pure price action, I will be looking out to sell. I'll be looking out to buy based on market structure, because there was a divergence here, and this divergence signifies that okay, something will likely to happen. Either this trend has changed. So price gave an impulsive move, came back. This was a bear candle, and the bear candle engulfed this candle. So engulf, and yeah, maybe I'll be looking out to say, honestly, I won't lie, because you will see that this price has engulfed this bullish engulf. How many candles? Three, three large candles that engulf, like fully engulfing. So that's just it. And this one price break below it more than 50 pips. And based on market structure that comes in, that's why when it break here, come back here, I'll be looking at to long, because I'll be looking at the long somewhere here, because if price likely to get here, it will bounce off. So that's this just the four things. First thing you have to look out for, first thing you have to look out for trade, the trend line. Once price get to psychological level, you know that something will likely to happen there. So the first thing is psychological level. Second thing, there will be a trend line, or either high and low of the week will be there. Then third thing, sorry, trend line, psychological level, high and low of the week, and price action, either M or W pattern to buy or to sell. So, but if I want to take a trade, these are the four things I look at if I want to take a trade. This is my edge. I'll have to look, if price gets here now. Let me say, if price gets here, I'll be looking out to either long or buy, because to confirm the move for either to long or short. If price come here now, give me a W, I'll be looking at to long. If price come here based on react here, but let me not just say too much. But you guys can also backtest this stuff, this strategy that I just showed you guys. You will confirm it. You want to backtest it, you backtest it. And let me take it to this recent days. You also look at it. If price want to break out, if price either want to go for a long or a short, there will be a W or M. There will be a W or M there. So let me just go to my own chart. This is my chart. Uh, uh, okay, okay, all right. Let me see if this mic is still live. Okay. Uh, so this is my chart, and this is what has been going on this week. Let me show you guys. If price is moving and you saw either, let me say like this now, this is my edge to the market, how I either go for a long or a short, how I make decisions. So if price now get to here, first thing, price is here, a psychological level to tell me something is likely to happen there. And second thing, there's a trend line there. So if price gets somewhere here and this trend line is here, what I'll be looking out, I'll be looking out to buy. Because either if price want to break this trend line to come back to retest, either to go for a short, there will be a W or M pattern. There will be a W or M pattern. Even though I saw head and shoulder, I'll still be looking out for the W pattern that will form there before I go for either long or short. So this was a W pattern, a clean W pattern. Then before price move up. So I'll show you guys some example. I'll show you guys example. Um, mm, okay. Now, if you look at here now, if I want to trade this move now, I'll be looking at it like this in pattern. I'll still be looking at it like this because there this is how it is. Either some M pattern is like this. Let me go to a clean place. Some M pattern will be like this. Will be like this. Some M pattern will be like this. Okay. Um, like this. Okay. Like this. Some M pattern will be like this, and some will be like this. This is the three-way. So now some that will be like this. Once price is here, we'll be looking at to take an entry, and sometimes that's why it's good also to study the market and also to backtest. Because now let me say this week now, sometimes let me say for a week this type will like this type now will be likely to be forming for the week. Sometimes is this one, it will like to be forming for the week, and sometimes like this. But the ones you like, the ones you often see is this and this. This one does not likely to happen. Like this one, and before this one will happen, like let me say not, let me say like 30% of the time, but this like 70%, 70%. So yeah, so that's just the three way of W, and also M, like vice versa, be what. So like M now, let me go for M. Um, oh, sorry. So now I'll take an English class, so it will be easy for me to explain um my trade, the things I look out. I'll go for I'll go for a class, English class. So like this, like this, and also like this, and also like this. Mm. So this is it. This one, sometimes you see this, sometimes this, and that's just how the WRM pattern I'll be looking out. But let's go to this. Before price either go for a buy or a short, there will be a W there or M. Price was at this zone here, and this zone was a strong zone. Like price rest there before price continued the bullish move. Price gave a W here. You can see it here. It was a W. You can see it. Price is here. So even if we go to another chart, even if we scroll down to other places, it will still be the same thing. Price will either form a W or M before price move. So yeah, so that's just it. And four things to look out before you take a trade on GU. It's first you'll be looking out price. Let me say first you'll be looking out for either prices at site level. First thing, let me say the confluences I look at, I use to take a trade on GU. First, psychological levels. Second, high and low of the week. Third, trend line. Fourth, W or M pattern. So that's just my that's just my confluences.